Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is about direct indirect speech, narration change using imperatives with let. In this video, I will be explaining it very clearly. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Imperatives with let. Okay, when you use let at the beginning of the sentence in imperative sentences, those expresses suggestion, order, request, wish. Okay, let's means let us. Let's have a look to the sentences. He said, let's leave the bag at the hotel. Right? Let's leave the bag at the hotel. How to change it? He suggested and that verb leave after let will be what? Leaving. He suggested leaving the bag at the hotel. In another way, he suggested that. Here conjunction came, that. Let's means us here. I told let us. So that us will be they, because us is first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker, he. It's a plural form, they. So that he suggested that they should leave the bag at the hotel. She said, let's stop now and finish it afterwards. She suggested stopping, leave let's, leave it, and start from the verb stopping, ing form. Stopping now will be then, right? Stopping then and finishing it afterwards. This is third person pronoun will not be changed in indirect speech. In another way, she suggested that. Conjunction came here. She, let's means what? Us is first person plural pronoun. That will be changed as per speaker, she, it's a plural form, they. So, she suggested that they should stop then. You remember, now will be then and finish it afterwards. How to change pronouns in indirect speech? Already I have told it in my previous videos. You can see it clicking the link in the description box. Okay, again I am saying first person pronoun I, we will be changed I, we and related to I, we, my, mine, us, our, all will be changed as per speaker, s. And second person pronoun you, your, yours will be changed as per object, and third person pronouns will not be changed. Let's see how to change from direct to indirect speech where you use let's not. Let's not means let us not, right? He said, let's not do anything about it till we know the facts. He suggested you remove let's and not is there, not then verb. That verb will be ing form. Not doing anything about it. It is a third person pronoun, will not be changed in indirect speech. Till and we will be what? They. Already I told it. They, past form of know, knew. They knew the facts. In another way also you can say he suggested, right? He suggested doing, first you write doing, and not anything, that is nothing, right? Doing nothing about it till we will be they. Till they knew, past form of know, knew the facts. Others will not be changed, only tense will be changed, pronouns will be changed, right? Then third way also you can write, he suggested that. Use conjunction. That, us. So it is first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker. So it will be what? They. They shouldn't. Shouldn't. Right? They shouldn't do anything. They shouldn't do anything about it till we know the facts. We will be they knew. They knew the facts. Right? I hope you get the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.